I'm going to show you how you can make your beer tactical. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked up, well, this Coors Banquet, but I also picked up this tactical beverage cooler vest because, you know, if you're trying to look cool, shouldn't your drinks look cool too? And here it is. You can get these kind of all over. It's kind of a heavy Cordura. Get a little Molle on here and all that. You get Velcro sides. Ooh, mesh material inside. Dude, this is nicer than a lot of the gear I have. What you have here too is this little elastic band. So that's going to hold it onto the beer. And this might prevent it from kind of sweating and soaking into the material. And then you close it back up with the Velcro. And you can see we have little Molle straps on the front and back. There's actually Velcro on the front and back too. So you can put your little morale patch. Oh, a little drag handle up here, right? You can see that we have like the adjustable shoulder straps all Velcroed up, just a kind of a little band around those. So it looks pretty cool. But let's go ahead and I'm going to throw this sucker on here and see how tactical we can make this beer. And more than anything, it's supposed to keep it nice and cool. In no way is this supposed to actually be practical. I mean, is anything we get really that practical? Isn't most of it just to be tactical? Again, if you have a long neck beer bottle, that's going to even look more tactical. But on this short chubby, fits just fine. And it keeps my beer cool and insulates it from my hot, sweaty hand. Hey, if you want to pick up this tactical chest rig for your beer, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.